Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to use the Binance NFT marketplace. This platform is your gateway to buying and selling unique digital assets, from art to gaming items. To begin, simply log into your Binance account and navigate to the NFT section. Make sure your account is fully verified and you have some cryptocurrency, such as BNB or BUST, ready in your spot wallet. This initial setup takes just a few moments, preparing you for an exciting journey into the world of NFTs. Once you are ready to explore, head to the marketplace. You can browse through a vast array of NFT collections, using helpful filters to narrow down your search by category, price, or creator. You will find two main listing types: fixed price items for immediate purchase and auctions where you can place bids. When you find an NFT you love, simply click to buy or place your bid, confirm the details, and complete the transaction using your available cryptocurrency. It is a straightforward process. Perhaps you have an NFT you wish to sell. The process is just as simple. Navigate to your profile and select the NFT you want to list. You will then choose your preferred selling method, either a fixed price for a quick sale or an auction to potentially achieve a higher value. You can set the listing duration, commonly from 1 day up to 7 days. After reviewing all the details, confirm your listing, and your NFT will be live on the marketplace for potential buyers. Finally, managing your NFT collection on Binance is very user-friendly. Your personal dashboard provides a clear overview of all the NFTs you own. From here, you can choose to withdraw your NFTs to an external wallet or deposit new ones into your Binance account. Remember that the marketplace typically charges a small fee, usually 1%, on successful sales. This ensures the platform's continued operation and security. Enjoy exploring and interacting with the exciting world of digital collectibles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.